Hey everyone, welcome back to our ARKA 360 training series. One thing I want to showcase today is a very cool engineering feature that we have inside of our engineering suite. This is something that's more technical, but this is going to really help you progress along those permitting, electrical, and wire sizing that we have inside of ARKA, as well as give you a little bit more accurate production readings. So inside ARKA, we know that you can place inverters on your system. Now, one thing that you may not know is that you're actually able to string the inverters in our system according to the string capacity for each individual inverter. So as we see here, we've placed our Solar Edge inverter right here. Now all we need to do is click on it and we will get our inverter properties menu here. So as you see, it gives us the manufacturer, number of MPPT, the azimuth of it, the mount height, everything along those lines. Now if we go, shows us our DC cable properties, we can change this out if we need to. But if we go down to here, to MPPT, it's gonna give us our stringing options. So here's our first string, click that. It's gonna give us our minimum and it's gonna give us our maximum. So if we click down here to say add string, it's gonna give us our stringing feature. So you just click and hold, and as you can see, it's gonna count them out for you. So there's 8 on this one. Then we're gonna add another string. And because we don't have enough panels, we can only string one of these. So it's still gonna calculate it for you, but now as you can see, we have our stringing done. Click save. Go into our performance calculation here, and it's going to give us our rendering. So this really helps in relation to getting what wire sizing you want to use, how much wire you need, how many conduits. All of those questions are going to be answered in here, and we have our very own wire sizing calculator. So by clicking this is going to bring you to a page where it's going to show you everything that your solar panels need, your inverter needs. You can either have a tap or a line in, anything like that. This really is a broad tool that you can use to progress to the next steps. Stay tuned for more training series and click the link below if you have any specific questions to schedule a demo with me. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day.